Alright, so today I'm very excited to receive my Audeze Penrose. So this is a gaming headset from Audeze. So basically Audeze, this company, they're actually manufacturing very high-end headset, like their headset can cost up to like 3,000 plus, that kind of price range. So I think recent years they see that gaming there's a market, so they decided to actually to manufacture this gaming headset. So actually they had one previously. I think it was the Audeze Mobius, but that was for mainly probably for PC. So in line with PS5 launch, they actually came out with this headset, which they actually advertise it for especially for PlayStation, right? So today we are going to do a unboxing of Audeze Penrose. So we're going to have a look at what's inside the package. Have a quick review of the this headset, and then after that, probably a week later, I'll do an in-depth review on what the things that I like and I don't like. Okay. So just to start up, okay, so I will show you guys the box, right? The outer of the box, so you guys can see the content. Okay, so as you can see, right, for this Audeze, it has a 100mm driver. Okay, most of the other headsets that I see has probably around, the max I see was like 50mm. So this is 100mm. Okay, so this has a broadcast quality mic. Okay, this is what but I see a lot of people have been talking about issues with their mic quality and all that, so which I'm going to do a test as well. And of course, being a wireless headset, it does come with a wireless function. All right, it's a 2.4 wireless gigahertz wireless this capability. Okay, and it's also Bluetooth capable as well. So basically what you can do is you can connect to 2.4 gigahertz and also the so-called the Bluetooth together as well. Okay, so it's also compatible with Windows and Mac. All right, so here is the this is the side of the box. All right, so you can have a look. All right, and here's the other side of the box as well. You guys have a look. You can pause the video if you want. Okay, and here is the back of the box as well. Right, sorry, can you guys see? Right, okay, so let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, so let's start with the unboxing. So I'll take off this. Actually, if you ask me, I mean, this is probably just me being anal, alright, spending like 400 plus each kind of amount on the headset. I believe, I don't know, I think their box can be better. Right, it's a bit damaged, so yeah. Alright, so here is the headset itself. Okay, put the box on the side. Okay, so on the start, okay, they have this setup guide, okay, which you can see how to set up your Audeze this Penrose. All right, so we put aside. Then they also come up with this Audeze Penrose card. Okay, so you have overview of the buttons and their functionality. Okay, and each button they have more than one function, so they will teach you what to do with each individual buttons. All right, so let's put it the other side. And of course, I think this is the warranty guide. Some warnings. Sorry, it's not warranty guide, it's warning. Okay, but anyway, just to sidetrack a bit, so I decided to purchase from my local distributor. Actually, I didn't know that Audeze come up with this headset until I was randomly like finding it on Google, like the best gaming headset, and then one of the articles actually showed Audeze Penrose launching. So I quickly go and check my own local retailers, and I'm glad that they bring in. The reason why I didn't order from Audeze Penrose directly is because I'm worried about the warranty claim purpose. Alright, so because they are shipping from US, and then if there's anything wrong with the headset, there might be this shipping fee back to US side that will be imposed at my country. I'm from Singapore, so basically I decided to get from a local distributor. Slightly more expensive, but I mean you are paying for the ease of like having to send back, and then comparing it to like you can just go to the nearest service center and have it fixed, right? So I mean that's my point of view. Okay, so yeah, so this is the interior of the box. Okay, so here are the contents. Okay, so of course at the start we have this Bluetooth dongle, sorry, the wireless dongle, not Bluetooth, wireless. So this is connected to the headset. So we have this headset itself. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, if I'm not wrong, there is more stuff here. Okay, that's it. Oh. Okay, so here is the accessories box. Okay, what does it come with? So this is the microphone, the microphone, the mic. This is the mic. Okay, so we have this 3.5 mm connector. You can use it for wired as well. Okay, so USB-C to USB-C. Okay, USB-C to USB-C. Right. So from what I read online is you can connect the Audeze Penrose to your handphone, to your phone, to your smartphone via USB-C to USB-C. It doesn't translate any music or any sound, so just for charging purpose. Okay, so and another cable is this USB-A to USB-C. Okay, I believe this is also for charging only. Alright, so yeah, so that's it for the accessories box. So let's get it out of the way first. Okay, let's go to the highlight of the show for today. Okay, so this is the headset itself. Okay, so let me just turn it around so you guys have a look. Okay, alright, so here is it. If you ask me, my first impression, I find that it's very cool, very nice. It fits the PlayStation theme definitely. I like this tone, this color tone of the blue. Alright, so I think overall the build quality is very good. Okay, from a very branded company, branded headset company. Right, so let me probably go through with you the control buttons from the Audeze Penrose, right? So on the left side of the ear cup, okay, you can see this mute button. So this is for headphone. Okay, so you have the power button. This is the light switch. I'll say it's light switch. So it's not switch but light indicator. Okay, so here you have the volume button. As you can hear, I'm not sure you guys can hear, it's very clicky. Okay, so followed by your mic. Okay, right, and here is the 3.5 mm headphone jack connector. Okay, so here is the USB-C. Okay, and here is the headphone jack, the headphone connector, sorry, the microphone connector. Okay, and I believe this is the Bluetooth connector. Okay, right, so yeah, that's it. I think all the buttons are on the left side. Okay, and I'm going to do a quick test on the comfort level. I think the cushion wise is very comfortable. Okay, without wearing it first. Okay, so the ear cup you see are memory foam. Okay, right, and the headset here is very comfortable as well. You can see it's very soft. Okay, but I think for Singapore weather, probably this one might I'll feel it might cause we might have a bit of sweat after wearing for a while. Okay, so yeah, let me try wearing this headset. I see quite a few people complaining about the clamp force of this headset. So I myself so far I haven't had any headset that is very tight, that makes me feel uncomfortable. But let me try this. Alright, as you can see, it's already quite tight. If you see this way, it's not very loose. Alright, so I don't know, is it a good thing, but I think it's quite okay, quite firm in terms of the quality is solid. But let's try. I think the clamp force is a bit tight. Not tight until like that is like other people say that it's causing hurt, causing pain to their ears, to their brain, to their head. I think it's fine. It's just that it's probably it's a little bit tighter than most of the headset that we are used to. Definitely I have the Audeze Mobius here. Okay, definitely this is much more, you can see that it's much more lighter, okay, compared to like I say, more, it's not so tight, as you can see when I do the stretching. Okay, so this is definitely more tighter. I don't see it as a bad point, but comfort can be subjective. My best is if your local distributor or local shop has any headset, any Audeze Penrose for test, please go and try first. Okay, but definitely let me compare with Audeze Mobius. Alright, yes, Mobius will be more not so tight. Definitely you can see that kind of, you see it's a bit more tighter here, right? So it really depends. To me, I feel it's fine. Okay, I don't think it will cause me a lot of problem, but I will still have to do testing for a week or so. See, yeah, just to make sure that it doesn't hurt while I'm gaming. I mean, obviously the most important thing during gaming is comfort, right? Okay, so you're enjoying your own time. So yeah, guys, let me just give it a try for a week, just to make sure that it works. Okay, yes, so basically I believe this is the end of the unboxing. Okay, and a short review of the comfort level of the Audeze Penrose. So yeah, so keep a lookout to my channel, subscribe and like this video. Okay, subscribe to my channel for my next this review of my Audeze Penrose. Alright, more in depth, like the sound quality, the mic test and all that. So yeah, still just stay safe, guys. Alright, do remember to hydrate yourself, during this period of time, just keep safe. Alright, have a good day, guys. Cheers. Thanks.